This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Underwood. This Sasser-built home has a spacious, open floor plan consisting of a downstairs main bedroom as well as another downstairs room with attached full bathroom, can be used as an office or bedroom. The outdoor covered patio and the added concrete patio offer an extension from indoor entertaining with the privacy of mature plantings throughout the backyard. Besides the home, you get to enjoy neighborhood amenities such as a pool, fitness center, and clubhouse. There is also dog park, playground, and boat launching ramp at Bennett's Creek Park, which is beside the neighborhood. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.